Alright everybody, it is about 8 o'clock at night and I am hungry, so I went to the store and I got some stuff to make some chicken bacon gnocchis. That's what we got here. So I started out with seasoning my chicken breast, just using some of this buttery garlic herb from Kinder's. Get that seasoned up and then we'll go ahead and get it fried up. Okay, next you're going to do about a half of a white onion. And we're going to go ahead and get that minced up. Next we're going to go ahead and get a bacon and we will sliver that up. Apparently need about a half a pack, but I'm going to go ahead and cut this up. Just go ahead and sliver it down. Maybe about 1/4 inch slices. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and get this bacon going. I'm going to just fry up this bacon. I'm going to go ahead and put it all in, but I probably won't use it all. We'll get it fried up. Just put a little olive oil in there. Try to get those big pieces in the center of the heat. Alright, we got our bacon going, got our chicken frying in the olive oil. Got golden brown on that chicken. Bacon is getting crispy. Got this on high. Watch it doesn't get too hot. It's about medium. Okay, the chicken is just about done. So we're going to go ahead and take it off and put it off to the side, let it rest for a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and get it sliced up. Bacon is just about done as well too. A little bit longer on bacon. Next, in that same pan that you cooked the chicken in, we're going to go ahead and start our sauce. So we're going to do a half stick of butter. I like the Kerrygold. You can use whatever kind of butter you want, but I like Kerrygold. I'm going to go in with some onions and get those going. We're going to get them softened up and add in some garlic. Alright, let's go ahead and get your, we're going to go ahead and get your garlic. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe about a tablespoon. So you got your onions, your butter, your garlic. Next you're going to go in with your white wine or your Pinot Grigio. Let's do about most of the bottle. We're going to get those onions softened up. We'll come back to it. Just go ahead and keep on keeping this cooked down until most of this water has evaporated, or not water, wine has evaporated. You want to get it to like maybe like an oatmeal consistency, and then we'll go from there. Just going to go ahead and add a little bit of pepper. your onions moving. Liquid is almost ready. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in probably about 2 cups of chicken broth. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my gnocchis. And we're going to go ahead and cover this up and let it sit for a little bit. Okay, I went ahead and added in about a handful of bacon. I think I'm going to put a little bit more in there as well too. Maybe about that much. Just going to go ahead and get that stirred in there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in the whipping cream. And we're going to pour some of that in there. Give it a good stir. And then next we're going to do a handful of the Parmesan. I got a little Parmesan. Turn this down to a simmer. Go to the back of that spoon, see how your sauce is thickening up. I'll check back. Let that simmer for a little bit. I'll check back with you. Cooking, simmering, and it's thickened up. The back of that spoon. It's pretty good. I think we'll go ahead and call it done. We'll get a plate, plate it up. See what we got. Pretty good.